Ukraine continues to effectively disable a range of Russian military assets, from sophisticated radars to logistical trucks. Interestingly, Kadyrov and his TikTok army seem to be adopting a less active role in the ongoing conflict. Nevertheless, their military equipment is not immune to destruction. A recent notable incident involves an FPV drone successfully targeting a CSTS armored vehicle, originally intended for KOF's forces. While it remains unclear whether KOF was involved in utilizing this disabled vehicle, the recently produced armored unit has suffered 15 reported instances of damage or loss. Unfortunately, this leaves it no more resilient than most lightly armored vehicles, making it susceptible to attacks from FPV drones.